Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make a sandwiches bread at home. So let's get started. Put 1 cup of water first and 2 large eggs beaten, and next is melted butter, 3 tablespoons melted butter, two teaspoons salt, one half cup plain yogurt, and 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons powdered milk, and this is 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Oops, make a mess here, and put it there slowly so that it won't splatter the liquid inside. There you go. And then you're gonna make a hole in the center to put the yeast, and then add the 3 teaspoons of yeast here in the center, and that's good. That is ready to go. We'll put it in the bread machine. We'll put it down, locked it, and let's go find the number 7. In this machine, the dough is number 7. Just press that button until it gets to number 7, and that's gonna take 1 hour and 50 minutes. There you go, it started. So let's check it out. So let's go check for our bread. Here you go. Here's the dough is ready. It's overflowing. That is 5 cups of flour. It's too much. So here we're gonna press the dough and take off the air, and then take out the dough and divided it in 2. And don't forget to take this little thing from the bread maker. It comes with a bread maker, and every time you take out the dough, it will come out with it. So don't forget to take this out, or you're gonna cook it. Have to form it a little bit, smooth it out so that we can divide it nicely like this. It looks good. And here you form it like this, and then you cut it in half to make it two, because I have two pan to put it here. So just like that. And don't forget to put a little bit of oil in the pan before you put this down. And here we go, we put it in the pan. I couldn't make exactly the same amount, so I always make a bread that the other one is bigger than the other, but it's okay, it tastes the same. So you put it like that, a little bit soften in the top, and then cover it with a plastic or a cloth. You have a cloth or towel, and then let it sit for 15 minutes, or chicken it when it double the size, and then it's ready to go, and then it's ready to bake. There you go. This is what it looks like after 15 minutes of resting. So, and this is ready to bake. And heat the oven for 370 degrees.
Okay, and now we put it together.
And it's ready. Set it for 16 minutes. And after 16 minutes, here we go, it's done. It smells really good. And then you rub it with butter or margarine, whatever you have it at home. Just rub it in the top to make it shiny, and it adds the taste. And then we'll put it back to the oven for about 5 minutes.
I will make.
And 5 minutes after, there we go. This is ready to eat. It looks really good and smells really good. So this is our 1 week of bread supply for sandwiches and toast and everything for bread. So since this is a homemade bread and it's not much of a, there is no preservative, so you have to put it in a refrigerator so that it won't get bad quick. So here you go, guys. This is my sliced bread. Alright, so let's go cut it, and so that you can see what is it look like in the inside. You have to cut it slowly so that it won't smash the bread. Cut it slowly and lightly like that. And here you go. This is still hot, so be careful. There you go. This is what it looks like in the inside. It's very soft. It's really good for sandwiches and toast bread. here you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe and like, share and comment below. And I hope you like this video, and you will make your own sandwich bread, and you will know how to do it. So have a wonderful day. You take care. See you next time. Bye.